I am Dr. N. Satyashila, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The course code is 24EC304 and course name is Electronic Devices for Industrial Applications. Unit 2, Diodes in Power Conversion Systems. The topic we are going to discuss today is half-wave rectifier. On completion, the students will be able to design half-wave rectifier circuit using diode. In a single phase half-wave rectifier, either the negative or positive half of the AC voltage flows while the other half of the AC voltage is blocked. Hence, the output receives only one half of the AC wave. A single diode is required for a single phase half-wave rectification and 3 diodes for a 3-phase supply. Half-wave rectifier produces more amount of ripple content than half-wave rectifiers, and to eliminate the harmonies, it requires much more filtering. The circuit diagram is given below and the input and output waveforms are shown here. For the sinusoidal input voltage, the no-load output DC voltage for an ideal half-wave rectifier is given by Vrms is equal to Vpeak by 2, Vdc is equal to Vpeak by pi, where Vdc is the DC output voltage or the average output voltage. Vpeak is the peak value of the input phase voltage. Vrms is the output voltage of root mean square value. Working of a half-wave rectifier. During the positive half cycle, when the secondary winding of the upper end is positive with respect to the lower end, the diode is under forward bias condition and it conducts current. During the positive half cycle, the input voltage is applied directly to the load resistance when the forward resistance of the diode is assumed to be 0. The waveform of the output voltage and output current are same as that of the AC input voltage. During the negative half cycle, when the secondary winding of the lower end is positive with respect to the upper end, the diode is under reverse bias condition and it does not conduct current. During the negative half cycle, the voltage and current across the load remains 0. The magnitude of the reverse current is very small and it is neglected, so no power is delivered during the negative half cycle. A series of positive half cycles is the output voltage that is developed across the load resistance. The output is a pulsating DC waveform, and to make the output smoother, filters are used across the load. If the input wave is of half cycle, then it is known as half-wave rectifier. Advantages of half-wave rectifier: cheap because a minimum number of components are used, simple due to the reason that the circuit design is completely straightforward, easy to use. As the construction is easy, the device utilization will also be so streamlined. A low number of components is used. Application of half-wave rectifier. It is to gain AC power from DC power. Rectifiers are mainly employed in internal circuits of the power supplies in almost every electronic devices. Used on AM radio devices for the deduction purpose. Used as pulse generation circuits. Implemented in voltage amplifier and modulation devices. Thank you.